I like this little design because you can see that the beak and the tail are basically flat. It's just a little tiny body. And the wings are very thin and have that really nice inward curl. They really want to like wrap around the straw. This shape reacts very nicely to the straw. And it's a question of rolling the wings rather than folding them, which is different, kind of nice. I like this shape because the body and the beak are basically flat. Reacts really well to the straw. And the arm, the wings, are kind of like hooks. It's like he wants to grab the straw. Oh, you got me. You got me. Let's try to put him back to the center here. Whoop! It's too fast for me. There he is. Oh. There you go.